Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So in this video we're going to be showing you the Pixel 4 XL's Zerolemon case, man. This is 8,000 milliamps on top of everything that Google is pushing right out of the phone. So if you're a person that's going to be traveling for the weekend and you probably don't want to take a battery charger, or you forget your charger, any situation like that, this will definitely come into play for you. Now I know people feel some type of way about these cases, but in reality Zerolemon is selling a lot of these because people actually need this extra power, and people who buy these are actually looking for power. They're not looking for a beautiful looking device because they already have it when it's not in this particular case. So this will pretty much triple the size of your phone. Let's just see it for what it is. It's going to triple the size of your phone. Now in this video, this is just an unboxing and show you what it looks like, so it gives you some sense of what you're going to be dealing with when you buy this. This is the way it looks for most Zerolemon cases, with the little newer case with the button on the back. You press it to see where it's at. You hold it for 3 seconds to turn it off. So let's turn it off. There we go. You've got Type-C, and you go into Type-C obviously. And you've got the two cutouts down here on the bottom. You've got your power and volume right here going through the case there. This is rubbery around the top. That way it's stiffer the longer it gets on the bottom and on the top, because it has to flex in order to be able to get the case in. Clear instructions on how to put this on, folks. You cannot mess this up. This impossible. It's just right here in front of you. So cut out on the camera. And again, this will triple your phone size, but it's also going to probably triple your battery, because some of us are already getting days of battery life out of this thing, and why wouldn't we? The phone's battery already is good, but if you're buying this, you're buying it because you need the extra oomph. So this is what it looks like on the Pixel. You know what I'm saying? This is the Pixel 4 XL. This is what it looks like. And as you can see, I actually have a tempered glass on mine, so it plays well with your current tempered glass. If you have a tempered glass, this case will play well with it. You shouldn't have to remove your tempered glass. I don't know about plastic screen protectors, but tempered glass today give you some room, on wiggle room, if you're going to wear different cases. So keep that in mind. Let's check the volume rocker. Works good. Power button's looking pretty good. So not very much protection as far as the front screen go. You have a lip, and if I didn't have this tempered glass on here, you would actually kind of see more of the lip, but it's a very subtle lip, but it's enough. So if you have a tempered glass, you can still, because I turn my phones face down when I'm not using them anyway, and this will just help you just a little bit more, because it does have a little bit of lip around the top, around that area, around the whole edge of the phone. You've got lip protection, so it's there. So there you have it, man. I actually do have one of these for the Pixel 4, and I'll be reviewing that one too coming up pretty soon. I'm going to kind of do them at the same time. I'm pretty much not going to use a charger with this phone or the Pixel 4 once I get that one put on that one. I'll show you that one in another video. But there it is, man. So we're going to let the phone die. I'm just going to use it as is. I mean, I get fantastic battery as is. The case looks like it's already charged, or I might just top them both off. You know what I'm saying? Let's do to see if it does a pass through. Get my charger here. So it charges the case and it charges the phone. So that's fire. That's good to go. So I'm going to let these charge up. As you can see, it's charging right here. Down on the bottom. Sorry about bumpy cam. But it is charging. I can see the indicator. Gave me a little vibration, let me know that the phone was charging because it's on vibrate. And so there it is, man. The Zerolemon 8,000 milliamp hour battery case. Oh man, it definitely is heavy, folks. Let's just be real here. It's heavy. You're getting this. We're no stranger to Zerolemon cases, so you know, save all the oh my gosh, it looks like a brick. We know that. We know that their battery cases double, triple the phone size. But you're buying this case once again because you really need the power, and Zerolemon is going to give it to you. That's for sure. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Take care. Links down below so you can grab yours for the Pixel 4 or the 4 XL. I'll have another video up on the Pixel 4 soon.